guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is going to be a home update. So you already know what that means. We're going to be getting some things in the mail. We're going to be getting some furniture delivered from CB2, which I'm really excited about. We're actually going to really focus in on the sunroom. We're going to be starting that whole process of trying to make a room indoor, outdoor, functional, but also still chic. That's the goal. So we're going to work on that, do some online shopping. You know how it is. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you want to hang out with us today, see how we update the space, then please just keep on watching and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And can we talk about the hair? I'm really proud of myself. You guys, I'm learning, I'm getting better. And like, who do I think I am? Instagram saw it first, so definitely head over there. I just feel cute. Okay, you guys, we just got a delivery from CB2 and I am so excited. We're in the sunroom and the newest addition looks amazing. You guys, we have a couch, another white couch. I know I'm about to get comments saying you're crazy for putting a white couch in the sunroom right next to the exit. There's high traffic. Like, this is a high traffic area. I get it. But honestly, like, what other color would I get? Like, if you know me, you know my aesthetic. It's gonna be a white couch, like, no matter what. White or cream is like my only answer. So I really love this couch. I think it looks so nice. First of all, I love the height of it. The height is honestly perfect. That way we can still get the full view of the windows. And I think it looks really nice. Honestly, I don't even know if I want to add pillows to this. I really like the way that this looks. Very minimal. It's not loud at all. I just think it's really nice. Obviously, this space is not complete at all. Like, it's still a work in progress. We're just getting pieces in, figuring out where they fit, and then we'll really start like designing and making it look pretty. So as of right now, this is the couch. Let me come up so you can really see like the fabric. It's just so nice. Like, it feels really good. I love this little design right here. It's very unique and different, but not too trendy where like 5 years from now I'm gonna be like, why did I ever get a couch with this little detail? Like, it's a small little quirk and I really like it. So this is the couch. I showed you in a previous video this bench already. This needs to get cleaned. This whole mantle situation needs to get taken care of. Oh my gosh, which reminds me, I did not update you all yet on the mantle mirror situation. So I had a company come and take measurements for the mantle mirror, which if you've been following for a really long time, this is kind of a long story, so I'm not gonna go on and on, but basically we had a mantle mirror. It arrived broken. I got my money back, but I was thinking, maybe I can get the mirror replaced, like replace the glass, and that way I can keep it. And it's kind of like I got two mirrors for the price of one because we already had that mirror on the other side. Whew. But I got a quote for the mirror and I got quoted for two different types of mirrors. One was like 1/4 of an inch and the other one was 1/8 of an inch. The 1/4 of an inch was, I think, $500 and the 1/8 of an inch was $600, or the other way around. One of them was $500, one of them was $600, and the original mirror that I purchased was like $350. So I was like, no, I'm not doing that. I'd rather risk it again. And I was like, you know what, that would be kind of funny, but like, why? But also I could risk it again and just buy a whole new mirror. So anyway, that's just an update on the mirror, kind of the boring part. Let's get back to the couch. I just really love this couch. I think it looks awesome in the space. I'm just so excited. So over here, Rob's gonna put this together. We also got a lamp. We got a couple of things from CB2 today. So we got a lamp. It's kind of like a tall, like arched lamp. Rob's gonna set it up. We're gonna see how we feel, see how it looks in the space. Again, it's gonna be hard to really put things together. Like, this is the hard part for me, at least. When you get your furniture in, you're trying to visualize how it's gonna look decorated, but you just have like 2 pieces of furniture. And so you're like, I mean, I think it looks good. Like, I like it, but you have to see everything together. So yeah, Rob's gonna put together that lamp. We also got a new fan from Shades of Light. You know, all of my light fixtures are from Shades of Light. So I ordered another one. The box looks, it shows silver, but it's really black and gold. So I think that's gonna look nice, like a black fan up here. So this is a work in progress. We're going to figure it out. I wish I could get a rug in here. Maybe I could get an indoor outdoor type of rug because I think that would look really pretty. But I have to keep in mind, this is not a second living room. It is a sunroom. As much as I want it to be pretty, I also have to keep in mind that it is a high traffic area, even though the couch is white. I'm gonna keep that in mind, but I absolutely love it. Here, let me back up and really show you. It's like raining outside. The lighting is weird, but it just looks so nice. It really brings in the sunroom into this space. So it makes the sunroom feel a part of the living room, a part of the house, instead of its own like outdoor type area. Because that's kind of how the sunroom was feeling for a while. It was feeling very outdoorsy, not really like part of this space. It felt very separate. And now it's starting to feel very cohesive. Like this whole area feels connected, and I'm really excited about it. So that's the mirror. If you're new, that's the mirror that I got a quote for. I bought it twice. I bought it really 3 times. It kept arriving broken. So I was gonna have this exact mirror on the other side. I don't know. I might order another one. But anyway, that's a mini, kind of a long-winded actually, sunroom update. Okay, and since we're here, I got a box in the mail a couple of days ago. I've been waiting to unbox this. I've been waiting for a filming day to open this. Let's see what Crate and Barrel. I'm pretty sure it's glassware because I've been going glassware crazy and it's been coming in at different times. Yeah, it is. Okay, so let's see the glassware and cross fingers and toes that it's not broken, you guys. I'm so excited for this. I have been waiting on these. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love this so much. Okay, I need to be done. I need to be done getting glassware. I've been going crazy because the Butler's Pantry has just been inspiring me. But how pretty is this? Here, let me not twirl it so fast so you can really see. I love this so much. It's so 1920s, a little martini, and you know, you're celebrating summer, and it's just so cute. Like, I just really, really like this. Okay, now let's just pray that none of them are broken. Glass number 2, we're good. Glass number, ooh, be careful. Glass number 3, we're good. Okay, one more, y'all. Cross your fingers. I think we're, yeah. And glass number 4. Woo! Nothing's broken. Thank God. I'm actually shocked, but I'm happy. Like, how cute. Like, okay, ladies, take your glass. Come on, let's do cheers. Like, this is so cute. I love this. I'm so, so excited about this. Crate and Barrel, 2 thumbs up.
What's up, guys? Rob here again. Right now, I'm getting ready to unbox that lamp that's over there in that corner. Little box right there. Yeah, we're gonna unbox that and see how it looks in the room. Hopefully, Cara likes it. Hopefully, I like it. Hopefully, we all like it. Hopefully, nobody breaks it. So, let's get going. Okay, I'm gonna move y'all a little closer, so hang on. Boom! Best way to do it? Probably not. Is it even going in? All right, you guys, this is what the lamp is looking like in the corner. It's got a nice, like, silvery brass finish to it. It's really cool. And it's got this kind of swooped arch with the overhang right here. I don't even know what I'm saying, but let's go ahead and turn it on and see what it's looking like. So this is what it's looking like. Looks really nice. So you guys let us know what you think. I think it looks awesome. Cara's gonna style the room to fit the lamp, so on you, babe.
You guys, Rob just surprised me with the mirror, and I think it looks, or the mirror, the lamp. We were just talking about the mirror situation, that's why. I think the lamp looks awesome. I love it. I just scooched it over a little bit and kind of moved the bench up. Those pillows never stay on, but I think this is really cute. It's cool. Like, it's really different. And I just love this little cozy vibe that we're creating. RG. And I think it looks awesome. So this is what the room is looking like so far. Obviously, we have to like straighten up. Like, we're nowhere near done. But so far, this is what we have. This is what we working with.
All right, you guys, the fan is done. It's installed right above me, looking fantastic. RG, can you do us a big favor and hit the switches for us, please?
Here we go.
Woo! We got power, we've got fan, we've got light, we got it all, man. Thank you, RG.
It looks awesome. I love it so much.
Give this video a big thumbs up if you want me to do another install like this. I'm sure it's coming down the stretch, so.
I mean, thumbs up or not, you've got a lot to do. Okay, you guys, so I'm actually editing this video and I realized that we never really did like a full 360 of the current state of the sunroom with all the new pieces in. So this is what it looks like. This is the fan off and the fan on. I think it looks really, really nice. Super cute, but I really, really like it, you guys. Like, I think it's turning out great. I'm happy with it. I feel like it's a part of the house now. Like, we're getting there. Okay, you guys, and item number, I think this is 4 from CB2, is a new rug. I'm replacing this rug. We're gonna see how it looks. Online it looked really pretty, but we're gonna see. Yeah. Fingers crossed it looks good, because I mean there's really nothing wrong with this one that I got, but it was never my intention, even when I purchased this rug, to have it be like the center, you know, piece. That doesn't make sense. Well, to have it be myself, right? To have it be like the center of the floor. Like, I just did not really want this to be my main rug. Nothing wrong with it. It was super inexpensive and it is really cute. And if this one doesn't work, we'll go back to this one. But I just feel, I just had the urge to do a little something extra, a little something better in my opinion. And I think this rug is really gonna look good. So let's roll her out. Roll out. Roll out.
Copyright.
Okay, you guys, so this is the office. This is the new rug. I really, really like it. I love like this kind of like warm brown color. I think it looks really cozy. Like, something about it just made it feel more at home. I don't know. I really like it. I feel like it brings out the colors in the art. You guys, like, I really like this. I think it looks really pretty and it's different. I kind of have to live with it a little bit to see like long term how I feel, but I really like this. The chairs pop now. Like, I think it's just really, really pretty. I like it. So I'm going to live with it for a little bit before I'm like 100% like make up my mind. But I do think the rug is very pretty. This like caramel chocolate color, like it just looks really, really nice in the space. And yeah, like I like this. I might move the chairs out a little bit just to like space everything out. But honestly, like I think it just looks really pretty. Not 100, that's not like 100%. But anyway, this is what it's serving. It's serving very much like cozy. For some reason, it reminds me of like the 70s. I don't know. This is a close-up of it. It's really pretty. I like it. I'm happy. Okay, you guys, who's ready for a little shopping? I feel like I haven't done a full-on shop with me in so long. It is definitely time. I'm gonna be focusing on the sunroom today and finding storage like how I told you earlier. So hopefully we can find something cute, but also functional. Like, I really want like a cabinet, like I said, or I don't know, just something that I can like store things in. I'm not sure. Okay, so what I'm thinking is getting like a bookcase or something along those lines in that corner. So I'm on Pottery Barn Team, which don't sleep. Like, if you're looking for stuff, sometimes the teen section, even the kids section, has really nice stuff. So don't just try to get, oh my gosh, they're loud. Don't just think like, oh, well, I can't shop this section because it's for kids or it's for babies. Like, not necessarily, because you can always find like different furniture pieces, dressers, things like that from different sections. So that's a little tip. I'm gonna type in bookcase. So I really like the idea of this. That's even pretty. I feel like that's a little bit like, I don't know, I kind of like this actually. It's a bestseller. That's cute. I like this. This is initially what caught my attention, is this bookcase. I really like the tone of the wood. I thought it was really, really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna add this one to the cart because I liked this one initially, but I wanna go back and see. I really like the design on the side. I don't know if I would get sick of that though. Normally this design, like the sides, I would be like, oh no, I don't like that, but I have to visualize it in our space. Oh, and then they have like a smaller one here. I could get like a smaller bookcase and get shelves in it. I actually really like this one. I like this one because I feel like it's not so bold because it's shorter. Okay, let's keep looking. This is pretty. I've seen this before though. Oh wait, I kind of like this. I like this. Okay, I think this might be the one. I think this might be the one. I like how everything is closed off. I could put like a piece of art. I could put something on top of there. Oh, this is nice. Okay, let's do this. Can you stack? Are these like stackable? That's kind of big. Am I even talking to you guys? Okay, basically this Callum cabinet system, I really like this. I feel like this does not look teen to me. This is what I mean, like shopping different places. It doesn't, to me, this doesn't look like teenagey. I don't know, especially if we have it in our sunroom. I don't know if we need all of these drawers. Like, this is a lot. This one is definitely a lot. I really wish that they just had, it came like one, even like just a tall one, I think would be perfect, but I don't think they have something like that. They have these taller ones with like the open parts, but I don't need all that. Like, can you customize? Oh, here we go. Build your own. Let's go to build your own and see what we can do. Okay, so let's scroll down. Oh, so you can stack them. Okay. Is that secure though? What do you guys think? Stacking makes me nervous. Like, I think stacking would be really, really cute. I like how this is stacked, but I want the drawers closed. I don't want it open. Like, I don't want a cabinet part 2 where I have to like style it and have it looking cute. I want drawers so that we can just throw our sunscreens in, throw our flip-flops in, grab our stuff and go out the door. I don't want to have to keep it pretty. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to measure, but I really, really like this style, and I think this is what we're gonna go with. I think we're gonna get this because this is just cute. I feel like I'm safer to just get this one that I added to the cart. This is probably the safest bet because it's 2 next to each other. I could put like something on top. We could do shoes at the bottom too, like maybe Rob and I keep our shoes in one, the baby shoes in the other, sunscreens up here, maybe jump ropes and like Nala's like dog leash and things like that in another one. This is probably what I'm gonna go with, but I don't know, we'll see. So, okay you guys, so I think we did good shopping. We picked out some things. I have an idea of kind of what I want, and I'm really excited. Maybe possibly you'll see some of these pieces like, I don't know, probably next month or in 2 months, the way shipping is set up. But yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload, and go over to Instagram because we're having a lot of fun over there. And me in the sunroom, honestly, this was like a sunroom video. So me in the sunroom, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.